Winpin, we are striving to achieve as one of the top manufacturers for connected factory introduction. Flying with us to experience our factory. Winpin Factory Building. With graceful surroundings and sufficient parking area. Let's go! Our private parking area, our sample display area at first floor. Our stamping and injection molding workshop at first floor. SOP documentations for molding machines. Our in-house tooling workshop. Documentations for tooling and tooling modification. Production control files for projects. Inspection area for sub-assembly products. Everyone is carrying out their duties with hard-working attitude and QC procedures. Our well-organized injection molding workshop. Stamping workshop. SOP documentations for stamping production. Stamping units and supporting system. Our office at second floor. The office's decoration style was exclusively designed by Alex. Conference room. General Manager Office, Alex. Serving free drinks for our Winpinners at all the time. Nice working environment. Our Winpinner is making the contribution to the company. Auto assembly lines. Sub-assembly lines by manual. How lovely faces of our Winpinners are! Laboratory. Automatic insertion and withdrawal tester. RoHS1220S. 2.5D projector, VMS 2010F. Toshiba RoHS tester, C1000A Japan. Plating thickness tester, XRF 2000 Korea. IR solder reflow, 8 temperature zone, H830C LF. Vickers durometer, HVS 1000. Our warehouse at third floor. It's being rezoned and leveled up as a double-deck warehouse. Product introduction. Solution. Winpin focuses on innovative technology for connector R&D and processing work. Our products include FPC, FFC, WTB, BTB connectors. SMA, ejector header, IDC, WTB connectors. Digital audio network communication contact. Mini DIN USB. D-sub. USB, D-sub high. Waterproof DB, DBI, terminal block, DC jack, phone jack, pin header, female header, cable assembly, SATA, micro match, Picoflex connector, PCI, PLCC socket, PCI, IC socket, micro match, DIN 41612, FPC. Winpin, we are striving to achieve as one of the top manufacturers for connectivity solution.